Okay, I'm gonna give you an example of exactly how passport turtles do to people like you. All right. So I'm gonna give you a scenario, and let's just say that there's this guy named Juan who's living in Guatemala. Okay. So Juan is happily married and has four children. Three of them are now going to school, and the youngest is still a baby. All right. So Juan is a fisherman. Unfortunately, lately he hasn't been getting a lot of fish. So that's bad news for Juan and his family because they need to eat. You know, they need to provide like allowance and food for their children who goes to school. So what will happen now to Juan? Okay. Remember, Juan probably is not educated or hasn't finished college degree, so there's no other opportunity for him but to go fishing. So here comes passport turtles. Um, Passport turtles will educate one, for example, learn how to do seaweed farming or maybe inland fish farm. And with the help of passport turtle, the community will be going to Guatemala and talk to locals, NGOs, experts, and come out of a lot of brainstorming um, to see what Passport Turtle can do to one and his community. So we're not just talking about one, but the whole community as well. So we're not gonna help only one fisherman, but several. All right. So this is just a example of what Passport could do to you, and it's not just about just fishing. It could be anything under the sun. All right. So just take note of the term community-based tourism. And if you want, you can Google it. You can chat GPT that and learn about community-based tourism. But basically, Passport Turtles is going to help a lot of people all over the world to give them knowledge, to get them new livelihood so that they'll be happy and sustain their family's needs. Okay?